quote from Maria Montessori, because it wouldn't be a commencement if we didn't get some words of wisdom from Maria herself. This is one of my favorite quotes of all time. In The Absorbent Mind, Montessori writes, "The teacher of children knows that she has helped humankind in an essential part of its formation. She may know nothing of the children's circumstances except what they have told her freely in conversation. Possibly she takes no interest in their future, whether they will go on to university or end their studies sooner. But she's happy in the knowledge that in this formative period, they were able to do what they had to do. She will be able to say, I have served the spirits of those children, and they have fulfilled their development, and I have kept them company in their experiences." And that's what we do. We keep these children company in their experiences to fulfill their development. That is Montessori in a nutshell. I want to thank all of you so much for being here, for your dedication to this truly special type of education, and for your overwhelming faith in us. We could not do what we do without all of you. So thank you.